Merlin needs you.
Okay. Let's go. Hi guys, today we're going to be doing something a little different. Today we're going to be doing a repair. Comment down below. Who was the culprit, Brya, Merlin, Lila or Mummy? What do we need to do?
So, it's going to be a tricky one, but I think I'm going to try to put it in place, and then with the use of a soldering iron, we're just going to melt the plastic together, and hopefully it should hold. They call it plastic welding, and we're going to give it a go. How'd you break it?
I just broke it, I don't know how.
Okay, I think it's nearly in the back of the space. And I'm just going to touch it together. Hopefully not go too deep because...
Of the electric?
Yeah. And it just kind of shows you that anything can be repaired. It might not be as good as new, but it will still work.
I can really smell the plastic.
Yeah, it might be a good idea to do this in a well ventilated area. Maybe if you were to try this, you could use it with a fan or keep a window open. That's the top bit done.
Wow.
I'm just going to put the back on now, and the back slides in to those springs. There's two little slots that you've got to get perfect. So I'm going to try and get that in. This one might need bending out. It's quite a simple way of repairing most plastics, is just to use a soldering iron. There we go. Just going to push it in tight. Do one there. Do one there, that should hold it just for the movement. And then it's your turn now.
Okay.
So gently push in the centre. There we go. And then just kind of make a big groove and then fold it over on itself. So you're just flattening that line. There we go. I wouldn't go any deeper than that.
Make sure to do this with a responsible adult. It would be nice to have this remote working again. the prettiest, but it should work. To make it perfect, you can sand it down to make it smooth. But we just wanted it fixed. We don't care if it's pretty. Let's try it. Thanks for watching and hope to see you all again soon. Bye!